The last two questions that we have to discuss is that कि जो हमारा है वो ये this question says that the testes in the humans, they are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch which is called scrotum. Now the purpose is served for what? ये मैंने आपको lesson के the very first जो slide था उसमें ही आपको बताया कि scrotum में होना क्यों जरूरी है, and without any kind of doubt सिर्फ एक ही चीज आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए so that कि scrotum का temperature low maintained हो and it will be responsible for the process of spermatogenesis. So the process is served for maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Option A. Option B says escaping any possible compression by the visceral organs. Wrong. ये ऐसा हमने कहीं पढ़ा ही नहीं है. Providing more space for the growth of epididymis. Wrong. Providing a secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. Wrong. So this one is your correct answer that we have already seen and studied.